Good morning. Please take out Math Lesson 5.4, Identify and Write 9, pages 113 and 114. We're going to begin by looking at how to write the number 9. The number 9 is kind of number 6 flipped upside down. So we start right here, circle around, and then we come down and make a stick. Circle around and make a stick. Go ahead and make a 9 on your own. So 9 can be represented by this symbol. It can also be represented by the number word N-I-N-E. When I draw 9, it looks like this. Now I have 9 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can also represent 9 with tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 goes through, 6, 7, 8, 9. Coming down to the bottom portion of my page, it says trace 9 pieces of cereal. So I'm going to just trace and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't need to do anything with these remaining Cheerios because that would be more than 9, and I'm just doing 9. Number 9. Oops, I don't want to move you. I just want to make your stick. There we go. Number 9. All right, flipping our page over to the back, we are going to count and write the number of groceries on each shelf. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves. I'm going to make a mark on the things as I count them because I do not want to be confused and double count something. So the first thing I'm going to count is this grape soda. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 objects on my first row, so I need to write the number 7. Next I'm counting apple sauce or something apple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 of those, so I need to write the number 9. On the next shelf, there are water bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of these. And on the bottom shelf, I have watermelon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 watermelon. So that's all I need to do for today's activity.